Ender is 6 months old today. Here's your board. Oh, here's your board. Can you hold it? Can you hold it? Here. Oh, you're going to eat it? That tastes good, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Here. Hold it over here. Can you show me how you're sitting up? Look at you. Yeah, huh? You're kind of sitting up. Good job, kiddo. Yeah. Oh, here's the board. Oh, you're going to fall over. Here, go back. I'll bring you the board. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Tastes good, doesn't it? Well, happy 6 months, little man. Happy 6 months. Hey, can you look here? Right.